Okay, how to pull out the speed sensor. I will show you guys, okay? See this one? This is the front axle. You can go under the front axle, like close to wheel, under the DFF form, DFF filter. See, they have too much space here. If you go like this is the runs machine. Runs machine, left side, you're going to see the speed sensor. This is the speed sensor. It's easy. Pull this one little bit and take off. See, this is the speed sensor. Pull out, that's fine. It's going to drive easily. Okay, when you go back, see, there have lot of room. Nothing worry about, don't scare. Take off, please. Thank you.